Okay, I got this right side all back together and got the plugs back on. I'm just going to show you how I do my diagrams just to make it easy for keeping track. When you're taking it apart, you know, you just have a look at the plug and the wires going into the plug. And then, you know, this one's got like 14 wires on it, I think. That's the other side. So, I mean, this one here had 12. So I just use that clip as an orientation. That clips on top, and then I count the wires that go across. 1 to 6 on top, 7, 8, and 9, and then I do the color code up here. Number 1 is brown with a white tracer. 2 is gray with a white tracer. Pink with a white tracer. Purple, so on. And then you know you're getting them all back exactly where they need to go. So these ones went together no problem, pretty slick. Let's see if this side goes as smooth. I'll leave this thing running and give it a go. Yeah, this one's definitely a little more of a schmozzle. 14 wires in that left side. It's got the audio and stuff for the CD and that. I don't have any of that, but anyways, here's my diagram over here. So there's 6 on the top, you can see, and then 8 on the bottom. So now the first one that goes in is a pink with the white tracer. It's that one there. And make sure they go in straight, and you gotta keep an eye on when you're taking them out which way they go, because they only go back in one way. Make sure this clip is still pulled out. Should be. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna double up on the glasses here. Well, it's fun when you get old and start losing your eyesight. There's one. Green with the gray tracer. I'm going to try and sort them out too before you put them in, so that they're not all jumbled and braided once you get them in there. They just slide in there pretty easily, no problem. Gray with the green tracer. Sometimes they'll get a little twisted when you're putting them in, and if they're, you know, if they're not clocked properly, they won't go in. So you just got to pull them out and start again. Make sure you're going in straight. That one was way off. There. When they go in straight, they just go in and click like that. Anyways, I won't bore you with the rest of that. I'll get the rest of these done, and then I'll be bolting them back on the bike.